So we're putting together a simple spice rack. We're using 1x4 untreated pine, which right now, the day we're making this video, is $3 for an 8-foot piece at our local hardware store. Wood has went down. I don't know about treated wood, but I know untreated has definitely went down. And so simple, very simple. Get you a couple 8-foot 1x4s. You probably have plenty left over. And we are making our cuts. So, you know, obviously you can make it whatever size you want. These are our sides, and these are just straight cuts that we've sanded down and everything. They're 17 inches, and they're going on the inside of that bottom board. And our bottom board right here is, and I just want to measure to make sure I'm getting it right, 16 inches. And so we have another 16-inch board that's going to go right up here like this. And we have a shorter board, which I believe is 14.5, that's going to go right here on the inside. And so the idea, if you want to come up here and show them a little bit better of an angle, is that this is going to go like this, which will, you know, once we get it nailed together, here's your center one. So here's your bottom shelf, your top shelf, and then these are going to go along the back, so with a little space in between. And then these are just a 1x4 that we ripped in half with a table saw and then sanded down, and they're going to go right along the front of our shelves like so that our spices obviously don't fall out. So the challenge now is just putting it together. We are going to attempt to just use brad nails for this and hope that it's strong enough. So we're going to put it together and then show you what we've got. And then we are going to take our pieces that we've ripped in half, and we're just going to put them just like that. And then put a few across that bottom. Okay, so there's those, and then we're going to turn it over to the back, and we're going to put one. I think we decided we were going to just basically straddle this center it the best we can. This is not about perfection at all. And that is a spice rack.